पहिलेच फावट सरकारान सप्टेंबर मेरेन 40% म्हळ्यार 5,700 कोटी खर्च केला. तातूंतले 1,300 कोटी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचेर खर्च जाल्यात म्हण मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार मिडिया मुखार उलयलो. मुखेल 28 डिपार्टमेंटांची मिटींग घेवन मुख्यमंत्र्यान तांच्या खर्चाचो रिव्ह्यू घेतलो. ह्या वर्सा आमी 90% खर्च करूंक शकतात. आतां मेरेन चडसो खर्च इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आनी कॅपिटलार जाला अशेंय तो उलयलो.
I'm very happy and quite contented that this year we could cross 40% in terms of spending during the first 6 months. In fact, up to October, this figure might be more than 48%, though I can't confirm it because the figures October has just ended. But if the trend is taken into consideration, it is exceeding 48% up to October, indicating around 90% of achievement of the budget. And if that happens, this will be highest in last 10 to 15 years at least. I don't have record for earlier. But I normally think that all the time budgets were around 75% utilization. This year we may touch 90% or cross 90%. This includes supplementary demand also. Around 1,300 crores or more than around 25% of the total expenditure this time has entirely gone into infrastructure development. It means PWD, water supply, irrigation, PWD, all. Irrigation, electricity, GSIDC, then GSUDA, agriculture, forest, SAG, all together spending has crossed 1,300 crores, which is 25, around 25, because total spending is around 5,700 crores, which is highest in decade. And even this year probably was 10 years back when Congress government was in power. They had borrowed very heavily, looks like. I have to pay back that. We have paid that back. I'm not complaining, I'm just pointing out. Because 2017 when I pay, it's actually borrowed in 2007, 10 years. So far about 700 something, and by the year end it will be almost 1,500 including interest and principal.
अर्थव्यवस्था नितळ करून ती ट्रॅकार हाडपाक कंपनी सेक्रेटरींची भूमिका महत्वाची म्हण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मुखार उलयलो. ICSIच्या बार्देसांत जाल्ल्या परिशदे वेळार सीएमान अर्थीक सुदारांचो उल्लेख केलो. काळो पैसो आनी शेल कंपन्या आड घेतिल्ल्या सुदारांक कंपनी सेक्रेटरी चड बरे तरेन समजूंक शकतात. जीएसटीचो प्रभाव सकारात्मक दिसूंक लागला म्हण पर्रीकार उलयलो.
You go for a kill after black money and kill after all these manipulative tactics, there is likelihood of some pain around it. You are the best judge in understanding these aspects, and I think your conference and your vision can help the country in actually progressing forward towards eliminating all the problems in the process of getting economy on track and economy in better shape. GST has immensely helped. People have not all realized the positive impact of GST. Because the government, as a man of finance, I can tell you that GST is bringing down the prices. I am seeing it happening. We are about to purchase 41 Artigo cars, Maruti company, for police force. When I realized that GST has kicked in, I asked them to get a quotation on the latest GST rates, and GEM, there is the new government platform for purchase. And I'll tell you, we got the price 95,000 cheaper than what it was quoted 1 month earlier. So that is the kind of reduction I found then we went for a purchase of a vehicle.
कंपनीत सेक्रेटरींची परिषद शुक्रारा जाली.
is of ICSI, that is Western Region. Okay, or annual conference जाता तांचो, and this time in 2017 it has been happening in Goa, Arpora. 3 दिसांचो कॉन्फरन्स आसा.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम सुंदर फडते.
गुरु नानक जयंती निमतान बेतीतल्या गुरुद्वारा कडल्यान पाटो ब्रिजावेल्यान मिरामार मेरेन नगर कीर्तन शालाचे आयोजन केल्ले. ह्या निमतान शीख भावांनी वेगवेगळ्यो कलाकृती सादर केल्यो.
आज सिखों के पहले गुरु नानक साहब के गुरु नानक देव जी का 548वां 548 जन्मदिन है. उसके उपलक्ष्य में आज पहली दफ़ा गोवा की हिस्ट्री में इधर की सिख संगत ने यहाँ पे नगर कीर्तन का आयोजन कराया है, जो गुरुद्वारा बेतुल साहब से चालू होकर और ये मीरामार में जाकर खत्म हो गए. इस नगर कीर्तन को देखते हुए संतों में इतना उत्साह है कि हमने बोला है कि आने वाले समय में भी ऐसे नगर कीर्तनों का आयोजन करना चाहिए. हमें इससे बहुत प्रेरणा मिली है. यहाँ की गोवा की जनता ने भी हमें बहुत सहयोग दिया. हम उनके बहुत आभारी हैं कमेटी की तरफ से, और हम उनको आश्वासन दिलाते हैं कि हम प्रॉपर डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करते हुए इस अच्छे नगर कीर्तन
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.